Hello HipKit friends, it's Antonia here with a new process video using the November 2024 HipKit releases. And in this process video I'm using the main kit, the embellishment kit, the cardstock kit, the Project Life paper kit, as well as the envelope metal die set, the winter floral metal die set, and also the binder attacher metal die set from the October releases. So in this process video I'm creating some pages for my Christmas album from last year. I'm still working on these and I'm working with a 6x8 format, but I want to add extra photos to my layout, so I will be creating some interactive elements to accommodate those photos. So for my first page, I'm using 2 larger photos, and I also want to add another 4 photos to this page, but obviously there's not enough room for it. So with the envelope metal die, I created a separate little envelope which I'm going to be adding opposite to this page. To create the envelope, I decided to remove the inner die which would create the window on the envelope before running it through my cutting machine, because I wanted the envelope to fully cover the photos. And this was the perfect place to add a little embellishment cluster, and I used a snow globe on purpose. I wanted to use a circular embellishment element because this allowed me to use the top bit to overlap the opening of the envelope and keep it in place. And I just added some die cut floral pieces to the embellishment cluster, and I carried these over to the main page, and I ended up adding the florals to a couple of places to create a visual triangle to bring the 2 pages together. Okay, so the title of the page might not make much sense for most people, but the way I work my Christmas albums is that I work from the 1st of December until either the 1st of January or the 6th of January, just dependent on how consistent I am in any particular year. And I add an entry each day, and additionally I will add another 4 entries to document the 4 weekend of Advent. because we as a family make a special effort of spending time together on every Advent weekend, and these deserve a special mention in my album. And on to the next page. So on this page, I'm documenting a family night out to the movies. I wanted to add some of the movie posters. We went to see the Willy Wonka movie, which was fresh out at the time, this time last December. And we went out as a family of 4, which is quite special because I don't really go to the movies very often. So my husband ends up taking the kids. But we were away for the weekend and it just seemed like a good idea for all 4 of us to go out. And each year in my December daily album, I will document one particular movie or film. So this year I decided to add the Willy Wonka posters to this layout, and even though I end up hiding these behind the family photo, I wanted the color scheme to coordinate with the poster photos, so that's why I chose the rainbow typey paper from the Project Life kit. To accommodate the movie photos, I used one of the cut-apart sheets from the Project Life kit to create a little pocket for these, and I chose the one with the film strip design as I thought it matched the theme perfectly. I added our family photo on top of it, and I was considering tucking the printouts of the movie posters behind it, but that was just a little bit too crazy and it just didn't really make full sense to the eyes. So I ended up creating a little fold-out tag, and I added the extra photos to the inner side and the back side of the tag, and then I used the front to add a journaling card, and I ended up hiding the journaling behind the main photo. So here are a few close-ups of my completed December daily pages. I did end up adding the binder attachers to both pages as well as the little envelope. I just think that with the interactive pages, this is a perfect way of adding them to your album. I hope you find my process video inspiring. Be sure to keep checking back to our YouTube channel as we upload process videos daily. and you can also check out our friendly Facebook group for further inspiration. Thanks for watching, bye now!